Good morning, everyone. Today we will study in Grammar Made Easy Part 3, Chapter 8 Prepositions. Let's start. Introduction. There is a frog in the pond. Uncle Bob was fond of Bill. The boy jumped off the chair. In sentence 1, the word in join the words frog and ponds. Thus, it joins one noun to another noun. It shows the relation between two things, that is, frog and pond. In sentence 2, the words of joins the words pond and bill. Thus, it joins an adjective to a noun. It shows the relation between the quality expressed by the adjective fond and bill. In sentence 3, the words of joins the words jumped and chair. Thus, it joins a verb to a noun. It shows the relation between the action expressed by the word jumped and the chair. In the above sentence, the words in, of, and of have been used as preposition. A preposition usually placed before a noun or a pronoun. A preposition tells us where a person, things, or place is. Example: the book is on the table, or where something happened. Example is: the boy waited at the bus stop, or where something does something. Example is: the thief jumped over the fence. A preposition can also indicate the direction from where somebody or something is coming and going. Thus, the words to, from, towards, down can be used as preposition. Example is: Ram was going to school. The boy ran down the stair. Sita walked home from school. Here are some of prepositions which we always use: on, at, of, by, from, under, between, into, above, behind, in, of, till, to, over, among, through, across, beside and towards. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हमने देखे वो सब प्रीपोजिशन के हेल्पिंग वर्ड्स है। प्रीपोजिशन का मतलब जगह दिखाना होता है कि उसकी जगह कहाँ है। ओके, दिस चैप्टर इज कंप्लीट हियर. नाउ we will meet again with another chapter. Thank you.